Hello and welcome to the first in a series of videos showing the basics of the editing program Lightroom. There are actually two versions of Adobe Lightroom. There's Lightroom and there's Lightroom Classic. Lightroom is a simplified version of Lightroom Classic. A lot of the things are the same, however it hasn't got as many features on it. So in these videos we'll be using Lightroom Classic, but you can transfer what we're going to do to Lightroom itself as well if you wish to. We're now looking at the library screen in Adobe Photoshop Classic. So the first job that we need to do, obviously we need to get our pictures into the system. So very simple, go down to the bottom left and just click import. And in a second we'll get an import screen will come up. There we go. So what we can see to the left, these are different drives, different places where I've got photographs stored. The one that's highlighted is this one, which is from my camera. It's a photograph which I've taken for this, and that's on my camera at the moment. We then need to decide where we're going to put this image. Now I use about 4 different hard drives which are listed on the right hand side here, and the way they're filed is I click on the one I wanted to go into, and I've got organized by date and then the date format, so it creates a file for each day, and the photograph I download that day will go into that file so I can find it, which is all well and good. But then when you get a few thousand photographs, how do you find a particular one that you want? Well, there's an easy way to do that. We'll go up here to keywords, and then we'll just put WBPS video for this one. And then what then happens is that will get attached to the metadata for this image, so I'll be able to easily find it in the list. I'll show you that in a second. So I'll just import. So that's importing that image now, and it's going to create a file. So there's the file that just popped up there for today's date and the one image. On the right hand side here, keywording is a keyword list, and anything I want where I've got a keyword, I'll just click on it and it'll come up with that particular image, so it's easy to find things. Very, very useful. The other thing we can do as well, if we want to take pictures of a particular place or find pictures that were taken of a particular place, we can put a GPS coordinate on as well. So we'll just click map and it'll come up with a map. And shall we say the middle of Exhibition Park will have the gnome. So I'll just right click, add GPS coordinates for the selected photograph, click with the left mouse button there, and then set the GPS coordinates, and you can see that on the right hand side there. That can be quite useful as well, particularly things like holidays and stuff, because they forget where you've taken a picture and you can easily find them there. So that's how to import an image in Lightroom. So we'll be doing other videos as well. This is the first in this series, and they'll just be short, simple, basic skills that you need for Lightroom. Okay, thanks for watching.